Assalamualaikum students, it's D1 for 6th class mathematics and we are doing unit number 2. It's lecture number 6. Till lecture number 5 we have done and we have completed our unit number 1 and 2b of unit number 2 as well. But today, before starting our exercise, I want to give you just little bit introduction about 2b, then we will start our exercise. So, look and listen carefully. D1 exercise 2b and introduction. Okay, bete, when you will multiply, now I will discuss about signs, means positive signs and negative signs, because these signs now in this exercise, these signs will be multiply. Okay, so I want to just tell you, when you multiply two positive signs, the answer will be in plus. When you multiply two negative signs, so again answer will be in plus. When you will multiply first sign negative and second sign plus, answer will be minus. When first sign will be plus and second is minus, then again answer will be minus. Okay, so you will solve this when you will use first sign plus and second sign minus, then answer will be in minus. Okay, so I hope you have cleared about all these concepts. Now move to the exercise. Exercise 2b, do not use a calculator for this exercise. So you will not use calculator, students. It's basic level. Find the value each of the following. A part is 6 plus bracket start minus 2 bracket close. Okay, and 6, firstly we will solve this one, plus minus. Okay, and then it will be minus. Clear, students? And then 6 minus 2 will be 4. B part is as it is. I will solve C and D part. Okay, and other all parts you will solve by yourself. Okay, students, basic level. A part. Okay, A part you will solve, but now I will solve here minus 2 because I have written A part firstly. 6 plus minus minus, then 2 or 4. Better listen. If sign is, we will follow that sign which will be with the largest value, and with largest value it's positive sign, so we will not write here positive, because understood, if sign will be negative then we will write, and then we will not write any sign, then understood it's positive because only two signs are there. After that I will solve now C part. 4 plus minus 10 plus minus minus, then 10, and 4 minus 10 is equal to 6. Now which sign we will put here? Because with the largest sign is negative, so put here negative. So we will put here negative. Okay, now D part. Minus 1 plus bracket start minus 7 and bracket close. Minus 1 plus minus minus, this firstly we will solve, plus minus minus. Okay, and then 7 and minus 8 will be answer. Minus 8 will be answer. Okay, students, now you other parts you will solve by yourself, and question number 2 is same like question number 1. That's why you will solve question number 2 as well. Now move to question number 3. Question number 3. A part. 4 plus bracket start minus 7 minus bracket start minus 3 and bracket close. 4 plus, firstly we will solve this one, and other we will write as it is, minus minus plus 3. 4, then this one plus minus minus 7 plus 3, 4 and minus 4, 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. With largest value sign is negative, so we will write here negative. Okay, so answer will be 0 here. B part, minus 3 minus 5 plus minus 9, minus 3 minus 5 and plus minus minus 9. This one you will solve now. Minus minus plus, but sign will be minus. Okay, then 14 and minus 17 is answer here. Minus 17 is answer here. Okay students, so move to question number 4 now. Find the value of the age. And listen students, same as it is which we have done in question number 3. Nothing is difficult here. Find each of the following. Question number 5 is also same like this, and we will not solve this one as well. Okay, so you will solve these questions by yourself. If you feel students any difficulty, any confusion, then you can write comment. In next lecture I will solve your problem, but nothing is difficult here. I have provided you notes as well. You can check from notes, but again and again I am saying that do practicing at your home again and again on rough registers, on neat register. You can make one neat register as well. Okay, and solve all these questions on it, and on daily basis. If you will not practice at your home, then you can't learn and you are not able to do in papers. Okay, so practice more and more at your home. Allah Hafiz.